Okay, now let's write a number from scientific notation to standard form. So if we have the number in scientific notation, 8.573 times 10 to the fifth. So to start this, you're going to rewrite your decimal number, 8.573. The exponent tells you how many times you need to move the decimal. So just the opposite of writing in scientific notation. So I'm going to take my decimal and move it 5 places to the left because we're making our number bigger. So I start here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where I would stop. Now I have these extra places, and you can fill these in with zeros. Those are our extra zeros. And now I'm going to rewrite my number so it looks a little bit neater. So I have 8,573,000. So this is 857,300. Let's do one more. Let's say I have the number 2.78 times 10 to the sixth. I'm going to rewrite my number, 2.78, and I'm going to move the decimal place, pick a new color, 6 places to the left. So I start at my decimal point and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have all this extra space, and I can fill in the gaps with zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now my new number is 278 and 4 zeros, which is 2,780,000.